In this video, I'll guide you through the steps to delete your Telegram account permanently. So before we begin, make sure to watch this video in full screen mode. So at the top left corner, you can see these three horizontal lines. Tap on it. After that, you need to head to settings. So inside settings, you have to find a FAQ option. Okay, Telegram FAQ. So after that, you need to search for accounts now. After that, you need to search for delete your Telegram account. Just copy the link and head to browser, or just you can tap on it. It will lead to this page. So you can see here deactivation page. So just tap on that blue text, okay, which is highlighted. So after that, just repeat the same process. So for example, I am from Nepal, so the country code is +977. so hit your country code and hit your number. So you will receive an message from Telegram. So now we have to copy this confirmation code. Okay, just copy it and paste at the given form. So paste here and tap on that blue option. Scroll down, so it will ask why are you leaving this platform. So you can type anything, okay, and then you need to tap on delete. So yeah, you can see here the red one, yes, delete my account, yes. So after that, our account is being deleted. So you can just head back to Telegram. So it will show you this kind of option. So it means our account is deleted. So thanks for watching.